Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save code in Google Colab. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So there's a few different ways how we can do this, and also Google Colab automatically saves your work or code automatically to Google Drive. Now if you want to go ahead and manually save a copy, we can do that. So go up to the top here, click onto file, and then save a copy in Drive. So you got the option to do that. We can also download a copy, so we can download a .ipynb or download a .py. Now if you want to see your saved files in Google Drive, just open up Google Drive and you're going to see they're going to be up on your recent, or you could do a search in Drive and then do .ipynb. This should work, and just hit search for that and it's going to show you all your Colab and notebooks here inside of Drive.